Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Naji bin Roslan. We are from group Be² and we will be presenting our mind map for course Linear Algebra. What is a mind map? A mind map is a diagram in which information is represented visually, usually with a central idea placed in the middle and associated ideas arranged around it. The reason why we do this mind map is because we use the mind map to revise for our linear algebra course. As you can see, we have quite a number of chapters that cover our whole syllabus. Chapter 1 to Chapter 9, Maclaurin and Taylor series, Radius of Convergence, and Power series. Next, this is a sneak peek of what the big picture of our mind map looks like, which has all the chapters together with its subtopics.
My name is Yunyu'er. I'm gonna talk about Chapter 7 in details, which is talking about diagonalization and quadratic forms. First, we need to know the definition of orthogonal matrix. A square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if its transpose is the same as its inverse. If a matrix is determined to be orthogonal, we can get these properties. Also, these expressions can be used to determine whether a square matrix is orthogonal. If square matrix A is orthogonally similar to some diagonal matrix, then we say A is orthogonally diagonalizable, and there is a P orthogonally diagonalizes A. If a matrix is orthogonally diagonalizable, these two statements are equivalent to it, and if A is symmetric matrix, we can get these two properties. Next is quadratic forms. This function is the quadratic form associated with A, and A is a symmetric square matrix. Lambda is the coefficient of the squared terms. If there exists the cross product term, the off-diagonal entries are the half the coefficients of it. An appropriate orthogonal change of variable can be made in a quadratic form to eliminate its cross product terms. This is the central conic in standard position, and this is a central conic rotated out of standard position. P is the transition matrix, and we can get the rotate angle by calculating P. A is positive definite, negative definite, or indefinite in accordance with whether the associated quadratic form has this property. If A is a symmetric matrix, we can simply use one of the statements to prove. That's all for Chapter 7. Thank you.
From the introduction of MathDay, we can find many advantages of mind mapping. The establishment of the mind map is conducive to people's thorough and systematic description and analysis of linear algebra. From the mind map, we can clearly see the connection between the various parts, which help to carry out a deep understanding and the creative thinking of this chapter. In addition, after we finish the mind map, it's easy for us to check to review the concept we learned before. Not only the detail, the formula, but also the way you think and learn. Since there are so many concepts in linear algebra, a mind map can help you easily recall the knowledge you learned before, no matter how long it passes.